you want to cook something quick and tasty for dinner this evening. Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with beef asada with cilantro lime rice. So let's get started. Let's prepare the marinade.
Yes!
Time to prepare the beef. Now is a good time to preheat your oven. Let's prepare the cilantro lime rice. Set your timer for 10 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Beef asada, known as Carne asada, originates from northern Mexico during the 1500s, where ranchers often marinated and grilled beef over open flames as a key method. This method highlights the dish's simplicity and bold flavors. Beef asada has spread across Latin America and into the United States, especially in Tex-Mex cuisine. That looks great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that is really good. The beef is grilled to medium rare perfection and is full of robust smoky flavors with a hint of citrus and spice. Time to try the rice. Yes, the rice pairs well with the beef asada for a perfect dish for dinner. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one quick and tasty dinner. Stay with us, watch another video.